In this lesson, we are just going to actually learn how to send an email with Python. Now you may ask, okay, I have Gmail, I have other emailing providers that allow me to send this email at my comfort. Why should I send an email with Python or using Python? Well, if you want to send an email to like several set of people, like say 1,000 or 2,000, you might really have to either subscribe to platforms like MailChimp or other platforms that allow you to send bulk emails to your members. But how about while those platforms actually works perfect to send bulk emails, how about you are asked to, or you volunteer in a group of your committee, or you belong to a group and they want to like send a membership dues, those who are here to pay membership dues, and they feel like, oh yeah, you are a techie person and you can do this thing with ease. And they give you like their spreadsheet, like they have 2,000 members, and perhaps maybe like 50 or 60% of them are here to make their payment. And you want to start sending this email. Oh my God, this is going to really take a lot of time for you to, sort it out and actually send the email. And this is where Python actually can save you lots of time, lots of headache, and you can just get the job done quick and swift. So that's basically what we'll be looking at in this lesson. So make sure that you actually pay attention, because they're just basic, simple things that we are going to be doing. And trust me, it's going to be fun. You can pause the video and replay in case of any section that is not really clear to you. So quickly, let's just dive into it.